Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Did you miss me? I'm sure you did. Today's video is going to be pretty interesting. Today I'm trying this thing that I seen on TikTok. It's really a DIY LED cloud mirror type of thing. So today I'm going to be visiting a few stores. I'm not sure what stores. I'm gonna just go and then I'm gonna record as I go. So I'm not sure what stores I'm gonna land in, but we gonna get right to it. I'm actually pretty interested because I've seen it all on TikTok and I actually watched a couple YouTube videos on it. It's pretty dope. So we gonna see, and I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get up in the car. All right, guys, so we're in the car. I have a special guest with me. She's probably sleeping, but there go my niece. Say hi. All right, and we're just gonna be on our way to, I don't know, we're probably gonna stop and get some food first before we actually head to the store. So yeah, we're probably gonna get some food first. We're probably just gonna go to a nasty McDonald's probably just to get a little bite before we go out. So yeah. I'm thinking we just go to the one on 76. If you're from Milwaukee, you know 60th and Silver Spring, child, they so ratchet. It's not even okay. Like, the McDonald's right there is not, like, they just need to be shut down as a whole because So we probably go to Good Hope, 76 and Good Hope, because they McDonald's be sometimes valid, and it be good reviews and shit like that when we go. We never had a bad experience. I ain't gonna say never, but it's not more than we've had at 60th and Silver Spring. Girl, ain't shit in here but some motherfucking fries. Alright guys, so we are here up in Walmart. I actually need to be looking for probably hardware. I don't really believe that it'll be back here in hardware because I'm looking for foam. The foam that go for the cloud part. Child, I don't know where that's at. I don't even know why I came here by myself like I knew where it was at. That's why I don't go to figure out myself. I don't know where it is. But we're gonna find it today. Y'all, so I finally found the fiber right here. It's actually pretty cheaper than I expected. I was expecting to pay like $15 for this, but it's only $9.98. We got this, and next we gotta go find the hot glue gun and hot glue sticks, but I might use some type of spray glue. I don't know, but let's go. I'm back in the car. I have all of my supplies in the back that I need for this freaking mirror. Listen, let me say, Walmart is like a whole nother type of army. Like a whole nother type of, I don't even know what to call it, child. Walmart is ruthless. Like, you go in there, it's like, Like every time I go in Walmart, I have to look over my back so much. I hate Walmart. Now I'm about to go to my second favorite store, well, one of my favorite stores, which is Target. So we're gonna go to Target real quick. I know I don't need nothing out of Target, but fuck it, let's go. You only fucking live once, bitch. Let's go. But then again, I'm gonna stop at Ross too because I need a tripod, and when I was up in Walmart trying to record, that's why I don't really have like enough footage from me being inside of Walmart because it's hard. It's hard trying to hold this phone up in my hand while I got a baby with me. Well, a toddler. She's not a baby. While I got a toddler with me, on top of trying to pick up stuff and push a cart. Child, that's way too much. So I need to go find me a tripod. Do I want to go to Target? I don't even think I need nothing about a Target. Girl, don't be doing all that. I'm probably not gonna go to Target. I'm gonna go to Ross and Five Below. I'm gonna go to Five Below because I just feel like at Target, I'm gonna just buy stuff from Target that I don't need to buy. So I'm gonna just go to Five Below and probably Ross because I might need me a jacket or a hoodie just because I'm out already and I gotta go to work tomorrow. Alright guys, so we're up in Five Below. I'm really not sure which one to get because I don't know if I need a tripod. Should I get this? I mean, it seemed cheap, and I don't know if I want this because I don't really like cheap shit like that. But I'm a barber shopper, which is not understandable. But this cute too, flexing stick. Should I get both of these? Because I might have this for my car. I probably have this for my car, and then have that for when I walk around instead for like vlogs and stuff like that. We gonna see. I'm probably just gonna get this, so we'll see. All right, guys. All right, guys. So we back in the car. I just purchased this one. This is not the ones I showed you. This is a whole different one. I just thought it'll be more reliable for me. But let me start this car because it's cold as a motherfucker. All right. So this mask off so I can breathe. We're gonna just install this right now because I feel like I want to talk to y'all on my way back home. I don't know what for, but. Let's just see how you do this shit. How you do that? It's pretty cute though. I like it. How you do this? Oh man. This is how. What the fuck? All right, y'all. So I'm back at home. We finna get ready and get right into this little DIY project. So let me tell y'all, a DIY ain't a true DIY if you're not reusing something that you already used before. So today for the mirror, we're going to be using this very old mirror that I had from a previous bedroom set that I had. And it's just been sitting in my closet because I was going to just break it apart before and just use it as a wall mirror. But I'm like, this is the best time to try to use this. So I'm just going to break this on down and then we're going to get right into the mess. All right, y'all. So our first step is to figure out how the hell to get this damn mirror out. I don't know how I'm finna do this, but we finna figure this shit out. Cause I don't wanna break it. And knowing me, child, I'm gonna end up breaking this shit. We're gonna work from back here. We're gonna start by just taking this part off. And I'm gonna figure out how to disable that part. So once we do that, now we have a mirror. So now that we have this off, I'm just going to clean it a little bit actually. All right, y'all, so stuff just would not work in my favor. So I hope this angle working out because obviously earlier it just wasn't, I don't know what's going on. Like it's really stressing me out. But what we're going to do first is we're going to take this trifold cardboard that I got from Walmart for $3.18. I feel like I way overspent on this board. Child, don't get me talking about that because that's just too much. But we're going to cut this off. So now that we have this cut, I think I want to cut this into 2 different straps. I don't know how that would look. I'm going to just cut it in 2. It don't got to be even. It ain't got to be even. You ain't got to be trying to be all perfect. You ain't got to be doing all that. Just cut it in 2. This is hard. Oh my God. This shit hurt my fingers. Now that we have these 2 pieces cut out, I'm going to glue these to the side like this. I'm gonna glue them to the side like this. Like that. I'm gonna glue them. And I'm gonna take this Gorilla Spray adhesive and I'm gonna spray it on here. And so that way it can stick. Now, mind you, this is a DIY, so however you do it is how you do it, okay? I'm just showing you my attempted way of doing it. I feel like it's gonna work pretty good though. Honestly, I don't think I should be inhaling it, but yeah, whatever. Now we're gonna do the same thing to this board. We're gonna cut this board in half. I'm gonna try a different way of cutting this because child, that hurt. So we're gonna cut this in half too. Period. It's a perfect fit. What? Talk to me, baby, because I'm gonna talk big. Now I'm just gonna spray some adhesive on here. And then I'm gonna just pop that baby right on there. It's a DIY, baby, so you gotta make it work, okay? Now time for the bottom side. Chop, you gotta drench that shit. All right, now that that's done, on to the next step. This is how we looking so far. So far, so good. So far, so good. Hey, I got the lights up into this part, so we gonna keep on doing it. Like I said, it ain't gotta be in a straight line. Make it a little zigzag, make it a little swoop de whoop, because you want the lights to have some type of look to it. All right, we got enough to go around probably one more time. This is actually a lot of light. This is the fun part right here. We got some polyfill fiber. I was actually surprised when I got this because I thought I was gonna be paying like $15 for it, but this was only $9.98. But I think it was $9.97. We finna go ahead and get right on up to this right here. All right, guys, now we're getting right to the end. I'm just going to finish up this little part here, and then I'm just gonna show you guys the end result.